Okay. Good afternoon, students. The last part of the chapter, that is customization of Windows setup. First, you have to understand what is meant by the customization of Windows setup. When you are changing the setting of Windows, for example, you have one sound services which is provided by the Windows. Okay, you want some customization in this speaker, then you have to just click on that, and you can reduce and increase the size of that sound. So you can see sound is completely decreased now, and now you can see I have increased the sound, and you will get large number of sound. Now I want some customization, so you have to just right click and open the sound setting. Okay. So you are customizing, you are changing the Windows services, that is sound services, which is provided by them. So this display, sound, notification, storage, tablet mode, multitasking, these all are service provided by the operating system, that is Windows 10. And that is why it is called as a Windows customization. Or second thing is that mostly you are interacting with the Windows. Okay. Or you can say these services is provided by Windows 10, and that is why it is called as a customization of Windows. Okay, so here you can change the settings. You can see if I have some problems, it will show you through the troubleshoot. If you have any problem regarding the sound, just click on the troubleshoot and all the problems will be solved. If you want to manage that sound devices, you can manage the sound system also. If you have some problems, just right click on the speaker and test it. It will show whether it is properly working or not. If you have some problems regarding the microphone, just see it is enabled or not. If it is disabled, that means it's okay, it's running. Okay, but it's showing the enable option, then you have to enable it. Okay, how it is working, you can see. Stereo mix I have not connected, that is why it is showing enable. When I will connect a stereo mixer sound special Realtek high definition audio, then I have to click on enable options. Then only this stereo mix speaker, special quality speaker, high definition speaker will be connected after this. Okay, so I have to click on the enable options. And if I want to disable it, deactivate this service, then I have to click on the disable. Okay, so always test and always click on enable and test. Don't click on the disable option. Okay, so this is one of the best service which is provided by the Windows. The next service they have given, that is shortcut menu services. So Windows 10 have provided you desktop services, desktop management services. These, so when you right click on the desktop, this pop-up menu will be open, and this is used to sort out your folders like this. You can change the view of your icons, small, large, etc. Large, medium. Again, you have to right click on desktop. You can sort the file folder according to size. You can see, you have to check out the left side of your screen. Always check out the left side of screen. You can sort of file folder according to size, according to type of the file. All the files, folders, icons will be sorted according to size, name, and last date modified. Okay, so I have modified the zoom. So that is why I have changed the modification of zoom. So that is why it is showing the zoom at the top left corner. Okay. Then refresh. What is the use of refresh? It is one kind of a rejuvenation of that system or refreshing the system. That means when your system, after using it continuously or for a long period of time, all the system services are processing one by one, and it will take some time. Now in desktop management, I have shown you, I have given a 1 minute for mouse pointer, and every 1 minute it will change the screensaver. Okay, even for 15 second or 1 minute, I have stopped the pointer. It will change the screensaver automatically. That I have shown you in the desktop management. Okay. So last point we have discussed, that is refreshment of the system. Whenever we refresh the system, it is one kind of restarting the system. Okay. So your system will not be hanged. Okay. Even the resetting mobile or cell phone, you always use a reset option. So reset and refresh, they are near about same. Okay, resetting the settings means you are giving by default settings. You are refreshing the system. Okay, you are reconnecting, restarting the system. Okay, and then copy and paste. If you want to copy the file and folder like this, you want to move the file and folder. At that time also, you have to use this shortcut menu. This pop-up menu will help you to make copy, and even this copy you can send to the desktop documents. So let's see, we are moving this file folder to the documents and check out in the document. We have to change it, check out in the documents. So what was our folder? Folder was, it's a very great high size of folder. So it will take lots of time. We will change the small folder, we will pass it. This size is very small size of, so let's check out the size through the properties. It is having 4.75 MB, so it will take short time. Okay, if it is greater than 50 MB, so it will take time. It should be less than 10 MB. So let's move to the documents, and so this is one of the best use of pop-up menu, shortcut menu, to move the file and folders, to copy the file and folder. Okay, again we will copy this. Okay, and paste the documents. And see, this is my folder, that is sign and photo. This is my folder, sign and photo. Now I will again delete. So at the same time, if I want to delete it, if I want to open it, click on open command. If I want to cut it, click on the cut. So I will cut it again. Again, I will paste in another location. For example, download folder. You can see I will press again. I will use shortcut menu, paste. So that is the one of the best use of shortcut menu. Just right click on that particular folder or desktop, and you will get lots of options in that menu. Okay. If I want to Control Z, undo all the moves that I have taken in the last part, automatically that folders will be even undo copy. So that whatever I have copy paste, that will be automatically reverse it will reverse the action. All the action will be reversed. Okay, so software sign, that folder is reversed or deleted. Undo the copy means you have reversed the action. You have canceled the last action. You are repeating the last action. Okay, so that sign and folder option is completely disabled or deleted. So that is the best use of this shortcut menu. Redo copy, undo copy, paste, etc. Even you can change background from here. Next, desktop background. You can see different backgrounds we can apply through just right click of the mouse. Even you can synchronize the folder. What is the use of synchronization? When you synchronize your desktop, all file folder will be, it will take some backups of your all file folders and icons into your Google Drives. Okay, that is the use of synchronization. Okay, multiple copies will be created in your Google Drives or through the Gmail account. So if you have some space problem, don't activate the synchronization. Okay, thank you very much. So these are all are the best here we have synchronized the desktop. Now all the file and folder will have a multiple copies in my Google Drive or in Gmail. What your Google accounts, Google contacts. Okay. So all data will be synchronized now. So you have to disable it. Then you can create your own folder also. You can rename your folders also. You can also rename your folder. So what is it? It is a use of shortcut menu. Use of shortcut menu. Okay, so we are using a shortcut menus. Context menu. We are using different commands through the pop-up menus. Okay, so open this command. We are using open command. Open the file folder. Okay. Again, you want to delete it? Yes, delete. The last, even you can change the display setting of your display. I give one example of this and I will stop. If I want to change this light or brightness, I want to change, you can change the brightness. If I want to change the screen resolution, I can change my screen resolution like this. Okay, so mostly we have to use recommended, no, don't revert it. Okay, if you click on the keep change, your screen resolution will be changed. The screen will be small. So if you reduce the resolution size, your screen size will be reduced. Okay, so always have a 1366 into 768 resolution recommended. Always have a recommended settings. Okay, if you change the text format or text size, application size by 125%, the whole size of the text and icon will be changed. You can see the changes here. Here you can check out the changes. Here you can change changes. All the size of the desktop and its size are completely changed. Okay. So again, go in the display setting. Always use a recommended settings. Okay. Even you want to change some graphic setting, you can change the graphic setting. So mostly we use a classic application. Don't use a universal. Okay. So what will happen if we choose a universal application? Here are some changes. Whole icons will be changed. Okay. So always use a classic applications. Then last option, that is a personalization of the display. Here you can change the screensaver and background of the screen. After every 10 minutes, the whole picture will be changed. Even I can change the this start setting also. If I disable all this start, what will happen? All the start option will be disabled. You can see the start option are, this will be completely disabled. If you off it, now see the changes. Again, I will on the settings. You can see the changes of start menu settings or appearance is completely changed. Okay, so this is the use of a personalized setting. Okay, thank you very much.